Are you dealing with high blood sugar or trying to find natural ways to keep it stable? You're not alone. Today, we'll talk about the top 10 foods that can help lower your blood sugar. Quickly, stay with us to learn about each food, how it works, and how it can make a real difference in your health. First up on our list are leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These veggies are low in carbs, so they won't cause blood sugar spikes. They're also packed with fiber and magnesium, which help keep your blood sugar stable. Magnesium is especially important because it helps your body use insulin properly. An easy way to get your daily greens is by adding a handful of spinach to a smoothie or tossing kale into soups. Plus, the fiber in these greens helps keep you feeling full, which can prevent overeating. Another big win for blood sugar control. Next on our list are berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Not only are they delicious, but they also help manage blood sugar. Berries are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which can slow down sugar absorption. Some studies even show that eating berries with meals can reduce blood sugar spikes. They're also great as a snack or added to meals. Try adding a handful to your oatmeal or mixing them into yogurt. Just remember to watch your portion size. A little goes a long way. Now let's talk about a favorite, avocados. They're rich in healthy fats and fiber, which means they digest slowly and don't cause blood sugar spikes. Plus, they're full of important nutrients like potassium, which supports heart health. The healthy fats in avocados also help your body absorb vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are essential for your overall health. Try adding avocado slices to a salad or spreading it on whole grain toast for a tasty, blood sugar-friendly snack. Next up are nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These tiny foods are full of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, which help slow down sugar absorption. In fact, eating a handful of nuts can help keep your blood sugar levels stable. Almonds are especially high in magnesium, which improves insulin sensitivity. Chia seeds and flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation. Try adding seeds to your smoothie or enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack. Cinnamon isn't just a delicious spice, it's a secret weapon for blood sugar control. Studies show that cinnamon can help insulin work more effectively, lowering blood sugar levels. It also contains powerful antioxidants. Try adding cinnamon to your oatmeal or sprinkling it in your coffee for an extra health boost. Just be sure to use Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon, for the best health benefits. Garlic isn't just good for flavor, it's also linked to better blood sugar control. Garlic may help improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body process sugar more effectively. It's easy to add garlic to soups, stir-fries, and sauces. Not only does it enhance flavor, but it also adds a healthy boost to your meals. Sweet potatoes are next. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, so they won't spike your blood sugar as quickly. They're also rich in fiber and antioxidants. One great option is sweet potato fries. They're a tasty way to satisfy carb cravings without causing a big blood sugar spike. Greek yogurt is a great option for managing blood sugar. It's high in protein, which helps slow down sugar absorption, and contains probiotics, good bacteria that support a healthy gut. Choose unsweetened Greek yogurt, as flavored ones often have added sugars. For extra benefits, add some berries or a handful of nuts. Apple cider vinegar is a popular way to help manage blood sugar. Taking a tablespoon or two before meals can reduce blood sugar spikes by slowing carb digestion. Try mixing it with water before meals or using it as a salad dressing. Start with a small amount as it's strong and increase gradually. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are high in fiber, which helps slow sugar absorption and keeps you full. Refined grains like white rice or white bread can cause quick blood sugar spikes, so switch to whole grains for steady energy. Whole grains make a great base for meals. Try oatmeal in the morning or a quinoa salad for lunch. They're tasty, filling, and great for blood sugar control. There you have it, the top 10 foods to help lower blood sugar quickly. Adding these to your diet can help you manage blood sugar naturally and feel great. If these tips were helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips.